Today we will show you how to register a new Exness account with a personal area, and how to open new trading accounts. To begin, visit our website, and click on Register. Enter your country of residence. This cannot be changed and impacts which payment systems are available in your personal area. Enter the email address you want to register this personal area to. Create a password, following the special requirements. The password must be 8 to 15 characters long, include uppercase and lowercase letters, and include a combination on numbers and characters. Trading account passwords must contain one of these special characters. You will use this email and password to access your personal area. If you have a partner code, you must also tick the box to declare and confirm you are not a citizen or resident of the U.S. Click Continue, and you will be taken to the personal area. Now let's look at how to create more trading accounts in your new personal area. Click Open New Account from the My Accounts area. The MT5 account options will be displayed by default, but you can click here to choose MT4. Click Continue once you have made your selection. Complete the fields with the leverage, currency, account nickname, and create a password. Click Create an account to continue. You can open a demo account to try virtual trading. Set the starting balance to demo trade, and click Create an account. To make a deposit, complete the verification steps. Click Complete Profile and follow the verification steps. When the documents are approved, the personal area will show that the account is complete. You can now deposit and withdraw using your account. Today we are going to show you how to fully verify your Exness account. Click this button to begin to verify your account. A pop-up will break down the first steps to verification. Click to continue. Enter the confirmation code sent to your registered email address. Click to continue on to verifying your mobile number. Select Confirm Phone to start phone number verification. Enter your mobile number and select between the SMS or phone call option. Click here to continue, then enter the code your mobile phone received. Click to continue. Click to continue on to adding your profile information. Your profile information will include some personal information, but also includes a survey of your trading experience. Please ensure the full name entered here matches your identity documents exactly. Once all the profile information is entered, click here to confirm. A confirmation message will let you know your profile information is saved successfully. A new deposit limit will be shown in this message too. The next stage of account verification will include identity verification and residential verification. To start, click here. Confirm your name to ensure it matches the documents you are about to upload. Click here to begin and proceed to confirm you are not a resident of the United States. Select the country of origin for your documents and the kind of document you wish to upload. Take note of a list of do's and don'ts shown to help you during this process. Follow these closely for the best chance at success. Attach your documents and click here to submit. In some countries, the identity and address verification can be done using the same document if it contains both identity and residential information. In most countries, a unique document is required. Once submitted, your document will be under review. After it has been approved, you will be able to submit for residence verification from your personal area. Your account will be fully verified after all documentation is reviewed successfully, usually within 24 hours. Thank you for choosing Exness.